Also, over the years at HEB for the holidays, usually, whether it be Easter, Halloween, Christmas, they used to carry a brand called Blossom. And I honestly, I think they have the same buyers as Rite Aid. They just don't buy as much nice stuff as, Rite Aid has. And over the years, I've been collecting like a brand called Blossom. And at first, it was like really cheap. It's a lip gloss, uh, perfume, a roll-on lip gloss, and I got the Halloween one and the Christmas. This one is scented sugar cookie. This is the Christmas one. It's got like little candy canes, and this one's got like ghosts and stuff. And this one is pumpkin spice. Okay, so they came out with this little trio. It's got like a real flower in it, and it's got like two colors, and it has a little lip brush. So it's like one side has a color and the other side has a color, and so basically you got six, like two, four, yeah, six. And then the last thing that they sold was this, like a big one of this. And, of course, what attracted me was the purple flower. So they stopped selling it, and then I probably on Instagram I saw an advertisement, and they are now selling this at their online. Oh, and I forgot to show you this nail polish remover, a nail oil, and top coat with flowers in it. I'm not crazy. Honestly, I'm not crazy about this. It was super oily, and it took forever to take off. You had to put a lot to get your nail polish off. But anyway, I checked the website, and usually like I don't want to buy a lot at the same time, so I kind of like waited, after the holidays, and then they added more stuff. But what I really, really wanted was this, because I ran out of eye cream, and I've been using like a heavier, like little samples, like for your birthday that you get these, and so I've been using that because I know it's heavier. But this is a facial oil and an eye oil for under your eyes, and I really wanted this, but I noticed that it was a little pricey. I think that's why probably not Rite Aid, HEB stopped carrying, because they started raising the prices. But yeah, so I got the coconut body. They started adding stuff. The coconut body oil, which I use on my legs, body oil, and then I'll use this when I finish my other eye creams and face creams. I only use face oil in the winter. The weather's been crazy here. One week it could be in the high 70s, and then the next week it drops down to the 50s, and then at night it goes down to the 30s. So it's really crazy. Sanitizer, they're making sanitizer, like everybody's doing this now. So I said, yep, I'm gonna have to get that. They had other stuff that I really wasn't interested in, like nail polishes. I don't know if they were scented or not. And I don't need lip oil because I have 3 that I haven't even used yet. I think I had 5 and I used up 2, but this got my attention. This is lip oil. It's got some sparkle in it, and I believe this one's watermelon. I love watermelon. That's why this excited me, because it was watermelon. And OMG, I was really excited to see this. It's a little highlighter with a flower, and they also have they have nail polishes. They have some nail kits, and they had the lipstick with the flower in it, and supposedly it changes with the mood or shifts color. It's clear as far as I can tell, but I already got that from Five Below, so I didn't bother to get that. And OMG, they have 3. I think they have pink, purple, and another flower, and this one has a purple shift. I think another one has a pink shift, and I don't remember what the other one had, but so I just wanted to show you that. The company's called Blossom. If you want to check it out, and it's Blossom Beauty. I think it's blossombeauty.com, and yeah, it's stuff that I got that stuff by because I know this is something I'm gonna use. So yes, a lot of times I'll put like stuff there, and then sometimes when I don't want to look for some, I just put it on. So yeah, so I placed the order for the other ones. When I get those, I'll probably do swatches and then do a makeup look with it. But anyway, so just wanted to show you that stuff. Next week I'll do the matte eyeshadow collection, and I did swatches, so you'll see the glosses that I got. I think out of all the glosses, I thought only one was a repeat, but then I found out about that color Sinless. I didn't know they had. That's a repeat. And I think the rest are really like new colors. So, yeah. All right, guys. So that's it. And I will see you next week. Mwah. Take care.